Factory farms, also known as concentrated animal feeding operations, CAFOs, are the source of nearly all the meat, dairy, and eggs consumed in the world. Yet, behind the industry's polished exterior lies a grim reality marked by cruelty, environmental degradation, and health risks. Imagine a facility crammed with thousands of animals, each confined to spaces barely large enough for movement. Chickens housed in wire cages so small they can't spread their wings. Pigs confined in gestation crates, unable to turn around, and cows forced to stand on concrete floors, suffering from lameness and injuries. These conditions are not isolated incidents, but standard practices designed to maximize production and minimize costs. Statistics reveal the scale of this cruelty. Over 9 billion chickens are slaughtered in the US each year, with most living less than 2 years. More than 83% of all eggs come from hens in battery cages. Similarly, 70% of pigs are raised on factory farms. These numbers illustrate the staggering extent of animal suffering. Beyond the ethical concerns, factory farming poses significant environmental and health risks. CAFOs generate vast amounts of waste, polluting air and water with harmful chemicals. The overuse of antibiotics in these facilities contributes to the rise of antibiotic-resistant bacteria, posing a serious threat to human health. Visually, the impact is harrowing. Images of bloated animal carcasses, waste-filled lagoons, and overcrowded pens punctuate the grim reality. Graphic footage documents the abuse and neglect these sentient beings endure daily. As consumers, we hold power to affect change. By choosing plant-based alternatives, supporting legislation that promotes animal welfare, and advocating for more sustainable farming practices, we can diminish the demand for factory farm products. This collective action can lead to a more humane and healthy world. If this resonates with you, subscribe to our channel for more content on animal rights, environmental justice, and sustainable living. Together, we can be the voice for the voiceless and build a future where cruelty is a relic of the past. Subscribe to our channel to fight together for the animals.